Hi guys, welcome to Info channel. I am Ranga. Today in this video I am going to talk about the Ministry of Human Resource and Emiratisation has said it will revoke the work permit given to the foreigner if those positions can be replaced by UAE national. This announcement has come amid the UAE government giving the priority hiring of local national than the foreigners. In February, the government has asked the 2,000 companies to hire and give the priority for hiring the UAE national than the foreigners or than the expat. The ministry said it will not force the company to hire the UAE national, but at least they must give a chance to interview. If the company consider the candidate, the UAE national is not suitable for this position, they have to explain to the ministry. This initiative will help to get a job for the local community in the government and the private sector. It also minimizes the unemployment rate of UAE national. The expert said that still the foreigners have a lot of opportunity in the job market in UAE, even though this initiative already implemented through the UAE government. Thank you guys watching for this video, and subscribe these channels if you think it is important. Share the video to your friends, families and the other peoples. When you subscribe, then it will encourage me to make more and more video on this channel. Thank you very much. See you. Bye.